Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to reset notification settings on Skype app on an Android device. Well, by resetting notification settings, you can customize your Skype experience to fit your preferences. Maybe you want to receive notifications for certain type of messages or calls. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the Skype app on your device. Well, after that, here you can enter to your profile page and then select settings menu. Okay, and then you can select notifications here. After that, find out reset notification settings and then tap on it. So, click OK. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to reset notification settings on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.